The average woman spends an hour a day styling her hair with heat damaging it. Not anymore. Hello, I am Emily Kenison. I am a lawyer turned inventor and founder of RobeCurls, and I invented the world's very first heatless curling headband. Now with only 1 minute of effort, I'll show you, you can create great curls that last 5 times longer than your curling iron curls. RobeCurls is fully patented, 7 times award-winning, and even made Google's top 100 products list, being one of the most searched for products of the year and one that, quote, defined our year. RobeCurls is first to market and best in market and is a category creator. It's made with a luxe satin charmeuse for healthier, shinier curls. Inside is our plush H²air-Tex fabric, which we engineered for longer lasting curls. An integrated wire gives you total curl shape control. So with just a twist, you can set softer, looser waves or twist the other way for tighter, more classic curls. And if you're wearing it overnight, position it however you like for a most comfortable sleep. And if you're going out, simply secure it into a cute and stylish updo that you can wear anywhere, on a run, out with friends, to work, and then unwrap to reveal great, longer lasting curls. For the first time in history, our heatless curler empowers you to live your life while making waves.